what's it called?
Thomas, get down and then go back up.
Patriots, no.
Intruder.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Damage this, damn this! Freaking telescope!
Thomas.
He's like, damn this stupid telescope!
Oh my god.
Woo! Dude, you are something. It's spin the bottle. Okay, you know something. Right? Spin the bottle. Oh, crap. Hey. Throw at me.
I don't know.
Okay, whoever's over there. Let's see if we can get it. She doesn't know.
I'm not even hitting
her.
her. You don't know who you're dealing with, dude. You're messing with Thomas. Oh, God. Slow down. Run, Thomas, run!
And there's a hole in my shoe too.
There's a hole in your shoe on the bottom.
No. On the side.
Ah, she moved. So you just say bambush. Thomas, you guys should stop because you have to go to a party thingy.
Party.
And you're gonna be soaked.
Whatever. He's there.
You're sleeping over at Doreen's, right?
Yeah, why?
I don't know.
Oh gosh, he has a stick. Thomas isn't afraid of a stick. No. Give me a stick, it'll break. Right? Have I ever told you about one time my uncle, I did something bad when I was little, and he got a hockey stick and he smacked it across my butt. Broke it out.
It broke in half. Wait, what did you do?
I think I was climbing on the counters.
Really? Climbing on the counter, so he broke her eye. Oh my god. Oh gosh.
It went down her shirt.
So he slams you with a hockey stick and it snaps because you're on the counter.
I got snow down her shirt. Spin the bottle.
I think she's sad or mad. It's the other way around, yeah.
Jasper, come here. Jasper, landing on me, you freak.
What?
Oh, Jesus Christ, there's a spider in here.
Ew.
There's a spider in here.
Wow, they're going in. Is it like, how big is it? Alright, let's go.
She is crawling towards me and has like 50 eggs.
Ew! Let's go inside.